Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Hack. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make phone calls from your Windows 11 computer using your phone. So the first thing you need to do is connect the two devices via Bluetooth. So we want to go down to the Windows Start button here and go to Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices. And then connect your phone. So I'm going to remove my phone right here, but make sure Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable right here. Then go to Add Device. Go to Bluetooth audio devices, mice, keyboard, phones, pens, controllers, and more. Then you need to add device under here. So go to your phone now, and then scroll on down from the top. Scroll on down, and then locate the Bluetooth icon and hold down on it. And then scan for a device to connect to. So it says stop on the top, press scan. Then go to your phone that shows up under this list, connecting. And then it's going to say permission request. Just go to OK on your phone and then go to connect on your PC. And now your phone is going to be connected on here. Go to done. You can see it, T's Galaxy S9. We can scroll on down on here and we want to go to phone link. Instantly access your mobile device from your PC. And then we want to turn on phone link right here. Then you can go to open phone link. And it's going to open here on the bottom. Right click on this icon and just go to pin to taskbar, and you can access this menu at any point in time. You can make this, you can use this to make calls. You can send text messages, and you can actually view your phone. You can open it up on your PC. So you're going to have your entire phone screen on your PC, and you can use your phone from your computer if you really want. But you can use this to make calls, so you just have to set up. You can go to Android or iPhone. And I just have a local account. I'm not signed into my Microsoft account. You do need to make a Microsoft account to use this. So you already probably have an email or something like that. So if I were to click on one of these options, it will pop open my email. I would have to sign in, and then I would be able to connect to my phone. And this entire list would just be a bunch of text messages. And the people I'm in contact to would be on the left side, and I can just click a phone icon and I can just call them like I would from my phone. So I've used this many times in the past. It actually works quite well. Sometimes you do have problems with your phone being connected to your computer. You just have to reconnect it or forget the device and then reconnect it, and that fixes many of the issues. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming.